debut of Bitcoin in 2008, the first decentralized peer-to-peer electronic cash system, blockchain technology has advanced significantly. Today, innovators in a variety of areas recognize the benefits of Bitcoin's technology. Many industries are exploring methods to incorporate blockchain into their infrastructures. But the question that arises here is how blockchain can power up your business. The use of blockchain technology is not limited to the trading of cryptocurrency. Because of its decentralized and trustless nature, blockchain technology can open up new doors and assist business by improving transparency, security, and traceability. And in today's video, I'll be discussing 5 surprising reasons to leverage the blockchain industry. But before that, subscribe to our Force Bolts channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. So let's now begin. So one of the most distinguishing features of blockchain is its greater transparency. This adds an unparalleled layer of responsibility to financial systems and organizations, holding each corporation sector accountable to behave with integrity in company's growth, community, and customers. The second reason to choose blockchain is because of its increased efficiency. Blockchain eliminates the need for middlemen in many operations, such as payments and real estate, due to its decentralized nature. By facilitating P2P cross-border payments with the digital currency, blockchain allows for faster transactions than traditional financial institutions. Blockchain is next known for providing better security. Blockchain is significantly more secure than traditional record-keeping methods because each new transaction is encrypted and connected to the initial transaction. The unchangeable and incorruptible nature of blockchain protects it against tampering and hacking. Blockchain also provides improved traceability. Each time exchange of product is recorded on a blockchain and an audit trail is present to trace where the goods came from, thanks to blockchain ledger. This can not only help exchange-related organizations improve security and prevent fraud, but it can also help verify the legitimacy of traded assets. The factors that make blockchain so revolutionary for mobile app development companies are comparable to those that make it the ideal choice in the domain. It is by far the most secure technology against cyber attacks. As a result, it is more likely to evolve into a new paradigm in the following years. In addition, users will have access to previously unattainable and easily accessible applications alternatives thanks to blockchain technology. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with Force Bolts YouTube channel for more such informative content on different programming languages. And don't forget to subscribe to us.